Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring what might just be the best large backpack for girls that works perfectly for school, travel, and everyday use. Introducing the Hey You Backpack for Girls, a stylish and functional bag designed with the busy lives of students in mind. Right off the bat, this backpack stands out thanks to its water-resistant and durable nylon fabric. Whether you're heading to school, college, or on an outdoor adventure, this bag promises to keep your belongings safe and dry. The design incorporates sturdy metal zippers and quality stitching that speak to its durability, making it a reliable companion for any student or traveler. One of the most impressive features is the dedicated laptop compartment, which fits laptops up to 15.6 inches. This means whether you're carrying textbooks, notebooks, or your tech essentials, everything has a perfect place. The main compartment offers ample space for books, binders, and even a lunchbox, ensuring that you don't have to compromise on what you carry. What truly makes this backpack user-friendly are the many cleverly placed storage pockets. They allow for better organization of all those little things that can easily get lost in a larger bag. Think stationery, chargers, and personal items. Plus, there's even a hidden anti-theft pocket on the back, adding an extra layer of security for your valuables when you're out and about. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The shoulder straps are both breathable and adjustable, designed to relieve pressure on your back and shoulders. This is further enhanced by a unique back design featuring thick, soft multi-panel padding, providing excellent support during long days of carrying your load. Travelers will appreciate the luggage strap that lets you fasten the backpack securely to a suitcase handle, making airport or bus travel less of a hassle. Plus, the backpack comes with a cute furry ball and 2 pins, adding a touch of personality and style that teen girls will love. Overall, this backpack blends fashion with practicality. It is well suited for elementary through college students and perfect for indoor and outdoor activities, including camping and hiking. The Hey You Backpack for Girls is more than just a school bag. It's a versatile and durable accessory that makes carrying your essentials easier and more stylish. If you want a backpack that's spacious, comfortable, secure, and cute, the Hey You Backpack is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.